Welcome back my wellness foodies. Make sure that you try this recipe at your own risk because it's that tasty. So today we are transforming simple rice paper into silky chewy noodles in just few minutes. So let's get started. All you need is rice paper and your favorite spices. We'll start by layering two rice paper sheets together and this gives us slightly thicker noodles. So next use a knife or a cutter to slice them into strips like this. Now to prevent them from sticking to each other, either dip them in water or drizzle a bit of oil of your choice. Now it's time to build flavors. Add soy sauce, vinegar, Szechuan sauce, roasted sesame seeds and some freshly chopped green onion. Now finally drizzle in some oil. I'm using mustard oil for that extra kick or you can use sesame oil. Now just mix everything well and that's it. Sit back and enjoy every single bite. And don't forget to subscribe us and join us on this journey of sharing healthy and delicious food. So go and subscribe our channel right now and take care of your health.